Hi, this is an overview of the Eastern Kentucky University Bachelor of Science in Occupational Science and Occupational Therapy Doctorate combined curriculum. You'd be able to start this program if you had already completed 60 credits and had been accepted into this program because it is a competitive entry. You'll start in what we call Professional Year 1, and that's 30 credits spread over the fall and the spring semester. Then you go into Professional Year 2, which is also 30 credits spread out over the fall and spring semester. You'll notice that there are electives in 2 of the semesters, and also Psychology 308 Abnormal Psychology some students may have already had. If that's the case, you would need another elective there to make 120 credits in order to graduate with your Bachelor of Science in Occupational Science. As long as you maintain your GPA and meet other program requirements, you'll move seamlessly from the Bachelor of Science in Occupational Science into the graduate portion of the program, which is the OTD. You'll start there at Professional Year 3, and you'll notice that for the first time you'll have summer classes. You'll start in the summer, and this is all in-person learning, and you'll have 9 credits spread out over the summer, so Summer A and Summer B. Then you'll move into the fall where you will have 12 credits and another 12 credits in the spring. In Professional Year 4, you'll take classes in the summer again, and this time they will be online. Following those online courses, you will move out onto your Level 2 fieldwork. These are 2 3-month experiences where you work in clinical settings supervised by an occupational therapist. And following those 2 12-week experiences, you'll move on to Professional Year 5, which will take place in that summer. And that is your capstone experience. The capstone experience will be practice in the field alongside of a project. And when you complete that, you'll graduate with your OTD degree. So you'll notice that the undergraduate portion of the curriculum is 60 credits, the graduate portion is also 60 credits, and you end up with 120 credits to get 2 different degrees. I hope this helps clarify, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the EKU program soon.